we're gonna be opening Kinder Egg surprises. Oh, I forgot to, guys, I'll be back. Wait, where's the Kinder? It was right here. Where's it? Little bugs, where are they? I went there, everywhere, but it's not there. Luna, did you take my eggs? Luna might took the eggs, so my plan is to find the eggs. Let's find those eggs. Here's the basket. Now I can get all my Kinder Egg surprises. That basket's empty. I see something glowing from the distance. The first egg surprise. Now let's find more little bugs. Look! 1 and 2. So now I have 3 Kinder Eggs. Ha! I took your eggs. Try to stop me, Luna. Huh? Let's look for more. The other eggs, Luna. Guys, I see something up here. Look, guys. 3 more Kinder Eggs. 1, 2, 3. Let's look for more. Oh, there's 3. So, we got more. Now I got 9. Got 3 more to go. Luna, where's the last 3? You're not gonna find it. Hey, you gotta get back here. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 12. Little bugs, let's open our Kinder Egg surprises. Now let's get our first one out. Let's open this one first. It's hard to open. Oh. So, which one Kinder? I think it's this one. Yeah, open it. Ooh, what did we get? So this is our stuff. We got something from the animals. Now let's see what we got. We got a cat. Yeah, we got a cat. So this is the spoon for the chocolate. Let's put it right here. Okay. Now let's open the next one. This one. This looks nice. So let's open it. There. Your nose sometimes hard, sometimes nice. Okay, got it. There we go. We have some kitties. So we got some kitties. It's a baby and a mama. Like this. Of course, we got it from this one. I think this is the desert, so looks like we need to make some stuff like this. Time to open another one. Let's do this one. Looks beautiful and ready to open. Okay, got it. So let's do this. Then let's open it. So here's our stuff. There it is. Right there in my heart. So it's from the, yep, it's from the human side. Here it is. So this is a mixing match. I guess we have to put the people through here. Let's open another one. There we go. There. I'm squishing the toy. So let's put this in here. So let's see what we have for this toy. So this is what it looks like. Magnifying glass kind of is, or it's like this. Whoa. So it's from the water set. So look through mine. Let's open this one. I might be smashing. Oh, we could eat this one first at home. Let's see what the chocolate looks like first. It looks like a chocolate with cream. So let's try to. Yeah. So should we try one, guys? Let's try one. Look at this. It's beauty. Yeah. What does the cream taste like? Let's do one more. Let's open the next one. Let's open this. And it looks like it's from. Look at it. Looks like a fairy. Let's do it. Let's see what it's from. By this magnify. So it looks like a fairy set. Now let's look at the back. So it looks like it says this, the same thing we did, and it looks like this. So it looks like she has arms. Can you see the outline, guys? The outline from here. So let's take this one out. Why not? Because it looks beautiful. Oh, where's Luna? So let's open it in my hand, of course, because you can open anything. Unless you can open things in your hands. If you can't open things in your hands. Open it. Of course, I have to use my hands. My hands are getting tired because yeah. So this is what we got. Let's see what it looks like now. It looks like we have lots of pieces. It looks like we have to make a ball like this one. So let's try to make it. Let's keep on making the ball in this park. I'm not really used to making things in the park actually. It's really hard. I think I meant to do these at home. This is the ball. Nice and easy to make. So it looks like we're done with the ball. It looks nice. It looks like I can play with it like this. Yeah, I did it. To meditate. Okay, Dad. Let's just stop meditating. Let's open the next one. Alright, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Always do it. Let's do it now. And crush. I already took it out. Let's put it here. Now, it looks like we have something else, so let's take it in out. Here we go. It looks like we got something. We have to load this down and down. So let's take this out. It looks like you can do this, use it as a bracelet, or you can trace it. That rhymes. Yeah. It looks like we have to tie a knot like this. Ding dong, ding dong. We can throw it as high as we can, as low as we can. Put these together and then make a kind of like a ball stuck with a seahorse. So let's just open the next one. The beautiful Kinder Egg surprise. Open it. It's really windy still. Really windy. Just open it. There. We got a cat in a hat with the hats. Let's see what it will look like until it. So let's put this hat on. Guys, it's so hard to do this. So it looks like this, I think. Meow, 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 meow. So it should be look like this. So there's different sets like this one, and this one, and this one. You might get another, you might get the same. You don't know yet. Now let's open the next egg, like this one. Let's open this now. Now let's open this. So it's not fully out yet. And and its head is out. It's gonna be creepy if we put it in. So let's put it all together now. Here. She has very skinny arms, actually. Then let's put that. This is the back. Oh, poof! It made it into this one. So, we can actually turn around like, hey little bugs, let's try to open another one. Let's open another egg. Because I hear, okay, better. So it looks like we got let's get this, and we got another one. Like a fairy hose. Kind of like a fairy hose. We can put the fairy here. So let's do it right here. I can wear this for. I should have opened this first so I can wear this for the rest of the episode. So this is this one. Look at it. It looks beautiful on me. Now let's open another one. Now let's see. What do we have? It's from like the same. It's like this one. It's like this one. Like this one because it has the same things. It's like this. It's from the same category. Let's see. Guys, this is the last one. I don't want to leave this episode. Please hit that subscribe button. There. So it looks like it's from this fairy set. Now let's go see what we can do. Let's see what set it's from. It's kind of like the fairy set, except it's a different one. So, okay, let me put this on first and see what it looks like. Her wings are not coming well. There's out of my shoe. That's just so annoying. His fingers are. It will look like that. So these are all the toys I got. We had so much fun opening our Kinder X surprises.